Welcome to the K&I Car Show. He's
Kevin.
I'm Isaac, and today we're going to talk about the
1973 or 1974 VW Beetle.
Nice. All right. Now, what is particularly special about this Beetle?
Well, actually, I'm going to start with the 73 or 74. The reason I say 73 or 74 is because it says 1974 on the paperwork, but it has a flat windshield.
Okay.
And the 74 had more of a convex windshield, kind of rounded off. So I'm going to call it a 73.
Nice.
But what's special about this is I inherited this from my cousin, and it's the most expensive free car I've ever had in my life. But it's a great car. It's beautiful rust and bare metal with a coat of linseed oil on it to prevent it from rusting further.
Yeah.
And beautiful bed liner flooring. Fantastic vice grip window cranks, and as you can see, it has an airbag.
I do see that. That is pretty nifty airbag. I wouldn't trust it, but I think it's pretty funny, man.
Oh, my old man's joke.
Now, when you say that it has the truck bed, what'd you say? The floor
Bed liner, man.
Bed liner.
I ripped out the old rotten carpet in it and just put down a bed liner.
Is that a spray liner or actual like?
That was a roll-on there.
A roll-on?
Just a little roll-on kit. I think it's about $50, but it's very good to prevent it from rusting further, and easy to hose out, clean it up, you know?
Yeah, I mean, you got to get that DNA out of there, bro. You can't leave it hanging around, you know?
Why would I do anything to hurt her? I loved her.
Okay, so you have it, is it low-ridered out? Is it dune-buggied out? Or is it just normal? I mean,
It's not low-rider. You can see, I'd like to maybe lower the front a little bit, but that's going to take changing spindles out, blah, blah, blah. But it does have the cool rally wheels that I put on there.
I see that. Those aren't original then.
No, but they're original to Volkswagen, to the Super Beetle. But just something I picked up off Craigslist.
Oh, okay. Now, rally, that's like that's like racing. Is that more? Is rally on and off road, or is it just?
No, you're thinking about no, rally is I don't know where the term comes from, but it has to do with road racing or something like that. So.
Yeah, I'm saying it's like when they do those rally races, like isn't like the Baja Mexico, or isn't that rally? Isn't that where they go through like the desert and then they drive through the streets and shit of Mexico and? You know,
there is rally racing, and I think it's more of a European thing, and then there's the Baja, you know?
Oh, okay.
This car actually has a Baja engine in it.
I know you speak Spanish. Would you consider doing something like that with this? Like going on the Baja run with that down in Mexico?
Oh, of course, man. I drive my cars anywhere.
Yeah, that'd be sick, man.
I would definitely drive it to Mexico.
That'd be sick, man. Because I've actually, you know, I don't know that much about cars, but I've caught like a couple races here and there. And coming from California, you know, a lot of people are into that. And so I've seen the Baja before. I haven't seen it too extensively. I haven't watched one completely all the way through, but you know, of course, seen clips and.
Don't get me wrong. I would drive to Mexico, but I'm not hitting the sand with the sand.
Oh, okay. So it's nothing like
not
that.
For that. No.
Oh, okay. I thought that you were gonna. I mean, like, you know.
No, I would have to have further modifications for that. The engine comes out of. I had a 1966 Baja that had a good running engine in it, and when the turnkey engine that I put in froze up 6 months later, it's like, you know what? I don't want to buy another engine like that. Let me see how this Baja engine does. And I just swapped it out, not knowing anything about the engine. and it's been running strong ever since for about 3-4 years. I cruised down the freeway with it, thinking it was going to blow up at any second and I could just start all over, but it has not. Very strong.
Well, like, see, that's the thing. You car guys, you guys get these cars, but you don't use them for what they're for. You know what I mean? You've got a Baja Bug. Take it out and Baja run that motherfucker.
That's not a Baja. The Baja is...
You just said I got a Baja engine. I got Baja tires. It's a Baja Bug.
it's a VW Beetle, standard, very standard. It has rally wheels, which are street wheels, and the engine is just a basic Volkswagen engine.
Am I just making stuff up then?
Yeah, you're just making shit up, man.
Oh, my bad.
Baja engine, it means that it just came out of another Volkswagen. Basically.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, throw some springs on there, get some knobbies on there, man, and fucking take that shit out into the sand, son.
I have one of those already.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. No need for another. It has the fiberglass package and everything, and it's a really cool car. And not only that, my cousin made his own Baja. It's a modern version of the Baja that fits on the Volkswagen Pan. It's called the Smeezik Stark. It's a really cool thing.
Smeezik Stark.
Yeah.
Is he like a Lord of the Rings fan?
I don't know shit about that.
Smeagol.
Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll talk about it on another show. Let's just keep rolling with the man stuff.
Nice. Well, dude, are you gonna leave it all rusted out, or are you gonna throw like some badass paint job on there, or what?
I'm gonna continue stripping the metal down to the bare metal, like I have in the back there, and put this linseed oil on it to keep it from rusting, and later on probably put a good old tan original paint job on it.
And since you're not gonna Baja, you don't need to put like a roll cage or anything in there like that. You're just gonna keep it pretty just basic.
Yeah, just keep it basic.
Cool deal, man.
I mean, a few other little things, but actually the steering wheel there, I've upgraded that. I've actually kind of downgraded it because it's a little less safe than the one that was in it.
Dude, the whole thing looks unsafe, bro. It looks like the passenger's gotta sit on a fucking milk crate.
Oh no, I have a seat for that.
Oh, okay.
Just I was doing a little work to it, and I was doing some work replacing the starter and stuff. And what you got to do to you're supposed to disconnect the battery first, right?
Yeah.
And the battery is under the back seat.
Oh, okay. Man, I remember going to high school and my buddy had a Beetle and he had a milk crate in there and I had to sit on the milk crate.
Oh yeah, that's always fun, man.
Oh yeah.
Every time you take off.
Oh yeah, man. Milk crates or cars with the rust out bottoms and stuff and you can see the ground, you know, I love that. All that stuff is fun.
Yeah, well, this one actually has a spot in it that has been replaced with some kind of half-ass sheet metal road sign, something there.
A road sign.
But it works, man. It works.
It's like a stop sign. I hope I stop.
They actually make good flooring, man. The old road signs. They don't rust.
Nice.
Very strong.
Nice. Well, cool, man. Freaking, anything else cool you can tell me about this Beetle non-Baja Bug?
Well, it runs great, and I drive it anywhere. So
you drive it anywhere? Are you gonna be you and your old lady gonna go on any runs with this thing or what?
Yeah, we're gonna do. I don't know. There's something in April.
Honestly, man, I do not see your old lady getting in this fucking thing, man. I mean, she's too high class for it, bro.
She's ridden in it already, man. She's cool with it.
Around the farm, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
no. It would take it out on the highway. It's actually the best running car I have, I think.
Really?
Yeah, it's my favorite car.
Oh man, it looks cool to me, but it's ugly.
It's got character. Let's just call it. It has character.
I'm just saying, man. Your girlfriend's super fancy.
She's not that fancy. She's cool, man.
I know she's cool. She's my sister-in-law, but I'm just saying she's fancy. Both of them are fancy. You know, my wife and trust me. Anyways.
She'll go slumming, man.
She'll go slumming,
man. I mean, she'll, we'll have to share the vice grips to roll down her window, pass it over, but she'll do it, man.
Right? Nice.
Oh, she's down with it, man.
Cool. Hey, man. Freaking, I hope you guys have a blast. Dude, I've had fun learning about this. I've hoped you guys had fun learning about this VW Bug. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing, guys. I mean, I can't freaking appreciate it anymore. I can't tell you guys. Please keep doing it. Tune in and check us next time.